Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into the Olymp Trade application on your smartphone. If you are on Olymp Trade and you want to log into your existing account, then here's how you do it. Whether you are using phone or tablets or computer, this step will help you out how you can access your account. First of all, open the Olymp Trade application on your smartphone, and once you're inside this login screen, go ahead and enter your email associated with Olymp Trade account. After you enter your email, you'll need to type in your password for your account as well in the next field. If you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password link and follow through the instructions. But if you do, you can enter your credential in the text boxes and finally click on Login. Soon after you do that, you will be logged into the home page or the terminal page of Olymp Trade. So that is how you can easily and successfully log into your existing Olymp Trade account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.